first Physio Youth Vibicon. Okay, so there we have the conference itself making headlines every day, and the first day yesterday was I can't describe the show that was given by the three speakers, and also after that we had two more speakers who had uploaded the videos. And yesterday we had a chief guest who was the Vice Chancellor of Jagannath University himself. Okay, so today we have another honorable chief guest who will be introduced by our respected HCAP president, who will be joining shortly now after me now. And I have immense pleasure to be the broadcasting partner, because usually what I do is I used to do broadcast only. Okay, so many conferences I attended, I have taken pictures of people, everybody. Okay, I used to keep uploading everywhere, or I take videos of their lectures and then I keep putting it live. Okay, I'm going to put it in live everywhere in Facebook. So people used to ask me, you are in the wrong profession. Okay, you should have been in an audiovisual department or a cameraman. Okay, some of the cameramen in most of the conferences, they have seen me, second time, third time. So when I go to attend a conference, immediately they will come and say, hello sir, how are you? Okay, they are very happy. And my lecture also, after the lecture, I will always go to the audiovisual team and I will ask them, okay, how did you find the lectures? Okay, so some people tell that we understood the topic what you are talking. Some people will tell that your movements are very dynamic in the stage. Okay, your stage presence is so lively, nobody can skip their concentration. Some things they will tell. So it has given me a valuable feedback. Okay, and some of the times I have obstructed the cameraman because I was taking the photo, so they will shout at me, sir, side ho jao, side ho jao. So now Haryana Chartered Association of Physiotherapists and First Youth Physio Webicon AOMPT is the broadcasting partner. Okay, so officially, okay, endorsed by the HCAP. Okay, not just any organization. Okay, in India there are lot of associations and academies and foundations and lot of federations and lot of everything is there in India for physiotherapy. To my knowledge, at least 73 such bodies are there. And HCAP, why it is special, I'll tell you in simple terms. H for heart, okay, C for central nervous system, A for autonomic nervous system, and P for peripheral nervous system. Okay, so don't tell that Haryana Chartered Association of Physiotherapists. It is the heart of physiotherapy. Okay, and it is the central nervous system of physiotherapy, also the autonomic nervous system of physiotherapy, and the peripheral nervous system. Now you tell what is actually this, why I am telling it is the heart. Because you know that the right side heart actually purifies the deoxygenated blood. Okay, it sends. Whereas the left side heart actually supplies the purified blood to the whole body, like a whole world, whole country. Okay, same like that. HCAP has purified the negativity of physiotherapy profession. Okay, so a big salute to HCAP for giving me this valuable opportunity. Central nervous system. It is the brain, spinal cord. Okay, spinal cord is reflexive. So anything wrong happens, immediately reflexively taking action, questioning anybody. Okay, that is HCAP. And then next one, central nervous system, proper planning, strategizing and doing things. The best example is the Haryana State Physiotherapy Council. So collaborated everybody, involved everybody. Somebody takes the credit, somebody distributes the laddus. Okay, that does not matter. Work is work, and that is HCAP. Okay, that it has shown being the central nervous system. Autonomic nervous system. Of course, we all know sympathetic nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system, they protect us during emergencies, okay, in times of crisis and stress. HCAP has proven that in disaster management every time over the years, and also now also in the corona crisis, that HCAP has donated the welfare items to the poor people, needy people, the roadside people, and HCAP got the appreciation of the Deputy Commissioner himself. So remember, disaster management also HCAP has done. That is autonomic nervous system. Coming to the peripheral nervous system, which is like directly supplying or receiving sensory or motor, okay, those kind of things. That is providing education, providing clinical services, okay, education through workshops and events, and clinical services through camps, because outreach, okay, that is periphery, okay, to the periphery also. So HCAP has done that. And I, Professor Senthil P. Kumar, also anchoring this event yesterday and today. And I am really very happy that anchors are usually people who are layman. Okay, so layman we tell, but we should prefer the fact that physiotherapist is one thing, that is professional term. Human being is the most important term. Okay, being a human being is more important, and I am happy that I can be a best human being by being the anchor. Okay, so I can enjoy my introducing everyone and then everything summaries. And most important, after this is we have moderator. Okay, moderator is experts. Okay, those who are very senior, hair is gone here also. Okay, so and brainy, they can summarize the scientific sessions and give outline for the next, all those things. Okay, so moderating also I am really very very happy to do. I have a dual role, and today is my day, I'll tell you, because I am going to start at 11 a.m. and it's hardly 15 minutes. We are waiting for the President of Haryana Chartered Association of Physiotherapists, Dr. R.K. Mudgil, to take over the stage and then give the welcome speech launched today for the chief guest, the best. Okay, you have the support of the government itself. That is what HCAP has shown, okay, for physiotherapy. So over to our respected President of HCAP, Dr. R.K. Mudgil. Good luck for the day.